Welcome back. Our traffic light is working as expected. Now let's take it a step further by using a for loop to make the yellow light blink. Inside the loop function, find a block of code that turns a yellow LED on and off. Then use Ctrl +/ to comment out that section, so we can replace it with a for loop. In the previous lesson, we created the val variable. We'll use it now in our for loop. We'll start at 0. Remember, in code, we usually start counting from 0, not 1. Since we want the yellow light to blink 3 times, we'll set the condition to val less than 3, and we'll increment val by 1 each time through the loop. Inside the curly braces of the for loop, add the logic to turn the yellow LED on. Include a short delay, then turn it off and delay again. Notice the first delay in the loop. This creates a small pause between the green and yellow lights. Oh no, we got a compilation error. LED yellow was not declared. I see the problem. The correct variable name is yellow LED, not LED yellow. Looks like I made that mistake twice. To fix it quickly, click on the first misspelled variable, then press Ctrl +D to select both at the same time and update them together. Let's add a serial.println so we can see the code working in the serial monitor. To keep it simple, we can just copy and paste the print line from our previous code. Verify and upload. Now, when we run the sketch, we can see the yellow LED blinking 3 times as expected. Great! Everything is working properly. Now it's time to experiment. Try changing how many times the yellow LED blinks. Can you make all 3 LEDs blink? What happens if you try to make them blink at the same time? Explore, test, and see what you can come up with. If you need help, contact your instructor or click the chat button on the screen. See you in the next lesson.